Extrema. The objective of this video is to determine intervals on which functions are increasing, decreasing, or constant. So when we're talking about intervals, we're talking about the numbers where this is happening for x. Increasing or decreasing are already talking about the y values. So when stating our intervals, we only care about the numbers in terms of x. Increasing obviously is, as we're reading my graph from left to right, what is happening. So remember, when reading a graph, it's always from left to right. Just think about how do we read here in America. So we're going to look at this graph to determine any intervals of increasing, decreasing, or constant. So as I'm starting from the left most of the graph, I see that my line is actually decreasing. It's going down. So we are decreasing, evident from the graph. But then it looks like there is a little moment where I'm having some constant happening because it doesn't look like it's decreasing. But then I'm going back down. So I'm going to state the two intervals where it looks like I'm decreasing based on the graph. So we are decreasing from negative infinity all the way up to this point that started in green. So that's about negative 0.05. And then we're decreasing again from that point 0.5 to infinity. I'm sorry, not negative 0.5, negative 0.5. So then it looks like we are constant in between this interval. However, every time you are looking at the graph, you want to support your answers numerically by looking at a table. So it does look like I am decreasing as we're going from negative infinity. And it looks like we're decreasing as we're going from negative infinity. So that's good, from positive infinity. But we want to look precisely what's happening between their interval, this part in green, that it looks like it's being constant. So really, we are decreasing just at a very, very small rate. Because as you're going through this graph, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. So we are actually decreasing on the entire interval of this graph because there is no constant, there is no increasing intervals. So as I support my answers numerically, the interval of decreasing is actually from negative infinity to positive infinity. So again, we want to determine any intervals of increasing, decreasing, or constant. Evident from the graph, there are no constant intervals. So for increasing, where are we going up? So if we're starting from the leftmost of the graph, so negative infinity, we are going up all the way up to this point. Now remember, our intervals are only in terms of my x values, so that would be negative 1. So all the way up to negative 1, my graph is increasing, and then it is decreasing from negative 1 all the way up to this point, which is positive 1. So it is decreasing from negative 1 to positive 1, and then all of a sudden from positive 1 to infinity, it is increasing again. So positive 1 to infinity, increasing. So there are two intervals where my function is increasing and only one interval where my function is decreasing. So now use the graph of the function to estimate the intervals to the nearest 0.5 unit on which the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. Pause your video and then press play to see if your answer is correct. So from the leftmost part of the graph, we are going down all the way up to this point, which happens to be positive 2. So we are decreasing from negative infinity to 2. And then we are increasing because at this point now we start to go up. So we are increasing from 2 to positive infinity.